before, after. Oh, my brother is gonna be able to see now, finally. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Custom It. So another little project we're doing on the same 2013 Rav4. It's my brother's car. Let me show you real quick what we have to do. So we are replacing the driving lights for now, and you see how there's like a little haze on this. I'm gonna fix that too, but I'm gonna wait a couple days because it's still too cold right now, and that's definitely one of the projects. So let me show you what they look like now, but definitely they are getting changed. And then we're gonna come and fix the tail light and then make it look so much brighter and shinier. Let me show you what they look like now. Okay guys, you see how ugly these are. So we will definitely change that, make sure he has something he can actually see. Let me see, put my shadow in here. There you go, so you could really see what they look like. All right, like, let's go ahead and start. Okay guys, so to get access to the driving lights, it's right up here. So let's pop this off a little. Oh, it's on the floor. Okay, I'm just gonna move this to the side a little bit, just so I have some access. All right, so the light is right here. So to take it out, you just pop this off first, unplug it from here, and then this turns. Should be able to twist it. There's a little knob here. I think you have to twist it. Oh, come on. Oh, maybe it's the other way. Right here. All right, you gotta twist it. Come on. Spring hard to get. You gotta twist it down. Wow. Okay guys, this is hard to take off, so I just got a couple rags so I get a little bit of leverage. Come on. Oh wow. Okay. Whew. Oh my goodness, I had to twist it this way to get it to unlatch. So here it is anyway. See, there's another connection right up here. So press it. I can't press it. I'm gonna lift this little tab instead of pressing. I think it's a lifter. All right, the light comes off. Here's what it looks like. You could see. So there's like two connections on this thing. So it goes like this. So when you turn it this way, that's where it locks. The other way, unlock it. So this is the bulb. Let's take it out. Here it is. Let me show you what we bought. All right guys, so as you could see, this is where I got the lights again from Auxito, which I'm affiliated with. I'll put it in the link and description down below so you guys can get 15% off and use my code CUSTOMIT, and then you get a discount. This is the old one. Those are $905 by the way. Let's open it up. Look at the unboxing. I have used those lights before on other cars and they have gotten pretty good reviews. That's why I keep buying the same thing for different cars, just so you guys know. So let me show you real quick. This is a metal build, which is very rare. It feels, I don't know, it's very well built. It's not like as plasticky as this one. Look at the difference guys. This one is gonna have a little fan to cool the LED down, and it has a glare protector. The way this is designed is to stop the glare. I don't know if you could see that. So there you go. So here it is. Show you again before and after. So anyway, let's put them on and then we'll show you guys. Okay guys, so here's the new light. So let me just find, I think it goes to, finds down. Nope, that's not on properly. It's on properly. All right guys, so now let's get this cover that goes in here. So the way it goes, this connects right up here. Oh, you may not be able to see. Hold on, I gotta put the camera down. Hold on. Okay guys, I noticed that this bulb, the way it's designed, or maybe the way it's designed, I can't get it to clip. If I don't get it to clip, I can't guarantee it's gonna stay on. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna have to do to fix it. I'm gonna shave a little bit on here, these edges, just using my blade. Oh, it's hard. Try something. Just gotta shave a little bit off of it. Yeah, I think it's aluminum. It's aluminum build. All right, let's test it now. Okay, it clips in. It's not easy. Okay, so I know what I need to do on the next one. Okay, let's go in the car again. Okay, let's put the light on again and then twist it. Okay, now we gotta fight with the cover a little bit. I trim a little bit off of it. That should fit better until it clicks. It's not clicking. Hold on. Oh wow, I thought I had it clicking. All right, let's do it a different way. Let's take out the light. Let's take out the light now. We're gonna put it on outside of the car. That's how I was able to get it to click. Okay, clicks. Now let's go to the car again. Okay, so I got the light to go in. So now it should be just as simple as putting it in the housing. Get this lined up properly. Hold on, I think it goes this way. And then we twist it up. I need a little bit of leverage. I need to use this. Okay, now it's on. Now we can connect this cable. Now let's go test it. Don't forget, since I moved the windshield washer, let's put it back. Don't worry, it's not gonna hurt anything. This is flexible. It goes right up here. You put the clip back. That's it. Okay, let's test it. There you guys go. It is really blinding. You can't see that during the day. I'll show you another video at night. So here it is. So the before. And you're trying to black out the sun a little bit. After, so that way you could see it better. Before. After. Oh, my brother is gonna be able to see now, finally. Oh my goodness, I hated those lights he had. They suck. This is gonna make a huge difference. Okay, let's go and do the other side. All right guys, so the driver's side is the same way. You just gotta pop this out, then we gotta twist this. I think you gotta twist it down. Hold on. Come on out, come on. Oh, there we go, got it. Here it is. So let's disconnect this as well. Here we go. And the bulb is right here. Here it is. Let's get the new one. All right guys, I gotta show you again. So you see here I had to shave just a tiny bit. This is aluminum, so it's very hard to shave off. I shave off a little bit right up here so I can try to put the just like the other one. There you go. See, it finally clips in right in there. It's not easy, but it took a little bit to get it to clip. So now we can put the light in because it goes in this way. Hold on. Wait, come on. There we go. All right, now I can twist it. It locks. Then we can put this cover back on. So hold on. And then twist. Okay, hold on. This is not okay. Here we go. Because this, you see where it says top right here, this needs to be on the top. Then connect this guy. Let's test it again. Ooh, these look nice, guys. I will show you later on at night what it looks like. Here we go. Looks very nice. All right, nicely done. Yeah, it's hard to see. I have to show you guys at night. It's hard to see during the day. Okay guys, I also wanted to show you how bright those new driving lights are. They make such a huge difference. I mean, you guys wouldn't believe how bad the other ones are. Like I said, the camera does not do it justice. It is extremely bright. You could see the road and you don't have to worry about hitting an animal or anything. But anyway, one last look. Beautiful. All right. Okay, so we can call this a done. Thank you for watching. Until the next time, I will see you later. Like and subscribe. Down here, down there. I want to say it's down there. I can't remember. Yeah, I think it's down there. Anyway, like and subscribe. Until the next one, peace out.